Hi everyone, Sean Hall here, founder of EnergX. I am super excited to be joining you all next week for this, one of my favorite workshops actually, which is all about how you can become what I call the Chief Energy Officer of your life. After all, I hope you feel that you are the CEO of your life already, that you are the boss of your life. Sometimes can be, if you've got little kids in the house, can feel like maybe they're the boss. But this is really about focusing on you. This is a gift to you to really spend the time to look at what are the decisions that you're going to make each day that really allow you to be at your best. Now, for me, this all starts with the science. And so I'm going to be teaching you a whole bunch of things based in things like sleep science, neuroscience, positive psychology that tell you exactly the first thing you should do, because sometimes that's the hardest part with all of this is just knowing where to start, right? Now, I've heard on the grapevine that you guys are famous for taking big swings, for wanting to do those home runs, hit it out of the ballpark. Really at the heart of that is building your own capacity or your own fitness in a way to really be able to do that confidently, do it consistently. So over this workshop, we're going to look at how you create the conditions for that. We're going to look at things like designing energizing rhythms and rituals, whether that's personally or as a team. We're going to look at how you stay grounded and calm, even when you're in the thick of things. How you manage your energy versus your time. This is a big one. And I'm going to teach you a really simple way of making decisions so that you can create the space to achieve the things that create the most value for you at home and at work. And I'm going to teach you another really important thing, which is linked to this whole idea of balance. And what I know is that balance is impossible unless you create boundaries. And so we're going to spend a little bit of time on that as well. How do you identify, create those boundaries, and importantly, communicate them and respect others' boundaries as well? So this is going to be a fun reset for us, getting you prepared to finish this year energized when so many of us often finish the year exhausted. Right. So that's my goal here in the session with you. Now, I'm going to ask you or invite you to personalize the session to you as well. So I'm going to send you a link to my little mate, my AI buddy, Frankie. Frankie is frank with you about what you need to do to look after yourself. And so all Frankie's going to do is ask you a bunch of questions. It's going to take about 5 minutes around what's energizing, what's not. And Frankie's also going to help you set some energy goals. And so that information will be completely private, right? Won't be shared with naked wines at all, just for me so that I can design this experience to really make sure that each one of you individually get the most out of it. But then, of course, it's also going to help me understand where I should focus for you all as a team as well. Right. Can't wait to spend this time with you. If you've got any questions at all about the session, feel free to reach out to me. Email me on sean@energx.com.au. Have a great week till now. Try and get that assessment done with Frankie by next Tuesday lunchtime, if you can, just to give me a little bit of time to prepare. And then I'll see you next Wednesday afternoon. Enjoy the rest of your week.